We've spent the last year really looking at the pain points of building an electric skateboard and have set out to take as many of the annoyances out of the building process as possible. One of the major pain points we came across are the micro adjustments that are needed to make sure that the motor mount is perfectly aligned and straight on your trucks, as well as keeping the clamp-based motor mounts tight while riding. Installing a motor mount like the premium motor mount isn't so horrible that it's not worth doing, but like with any clamp-on motor mount, it can take a series of adjustments and trial and error to get it just right. This can lead to your belt rubbing on your wheels and your belt hanging off your pulleys a little bit. The whole process just can be a little bit more defined. And that's where our new fixed mount trucks come in. We finally got our shipment in and really wanted to show you guys what the assembly process is like and what some of the benefits are of them. The new MBoards fixed mount trucks are based on our already very popular extended trucks, which are actually the exact trucks that are used for the front trucks. The rear trucks is where all the new design comes in. The new design is based on a popular technique that the electric skateboard industry has been using for quite some time. The new fixed trucks were designed with dual 6374 setups in mind. They've also been designed to work with nearly any wheel pulley setup. We did design the trucks with a particular wheel pulley in mind though. We know it works perfectly, we know that everything gets aligned really well, and it works the very first time. And thanks to the design, the assembly process is really easy. Attach each motor to each mount plate, then attach each mount plate to each mount bracket with the included hardware. Add your motor pulley to your motor shafts, push the wheel pulleys into your wheels, attach your belt and install all the wheels. And then if needed, you can adjust your belt's tension. And that's it, the entire drivetrain is assembled and perfectly aligned within minutes. We do have gear covers in production now and will be on the website very soon. This one is the 3D printed prototype, but the official ones will be made from a higher quality production process. The design and the assembly, that's all great, but how do they actually ride? Well, like our extended trucks, they are very stable at high speeds due to the wider hangers, and they've got a decent turning radius and feel really solid when it comes to the motor mounts. Okay, but we can't forget about price. I know it's very important to all of us. Before these trucks were available, the equivalent option would have been a set of extended trucks, 2 premium motor mounts, and 2 complete pulley systems. And because there's much less individual parts, this setup can actually save you around $60 depending on if you end up with the full kit or not. So what do you guys think? Would this setup make a great addition to your build? Let us know in the comments below. And we've got a ton of DIY electric skateboard videos coming out, so be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next build or tutorial. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.